In the present-day world, terrorist threats to important sea and coastal targets, both from the waterside and from land, are becoming a reality. The Integrated Intelligent Monitoring System of High Security Zones, ARGUS, can prevent these threats. The AQUA is a fixed hydroacoustic detection system of underwater and surface objects. The AQUA system is intended for continuous hydroacoustic survey of surface and underwater ships at distant approaches to guarded objects and vast areas of water. The OCO-RL is a radar survey complex for a surface image. The OCO-RL provides automatic detection, tracking, and determination of the movement parameters of surface targets in the control zone. Amulet-R is a boundary hydroacoustic detection system. The Amulet-R provides primary detection in vertical hydrolocation mode of underwater swimmers and their means of delivery to the extended boundaries along the border of control zones. The Amulet-Z is a zonal hydroacoustic detection and tracking station. The Amulet-Z provides detection, tracking, and classification of underwater swimmers and their means of delivery within the control zone in active horizontal hydrolocation mode. In warning mode, a hydroacoustic warning system means that Amulet P provides a voice warning to underwater swimmers about their intrusion into a forbidden zone and the necessity to leave it. The Amulet P in intensive warning mode. When failing to comply with the warning signal, underwater swimmers are subjected to acoustic signals that force them to come to the surface. You are in the forbidden zone. Immediately leave the forbidden zone, or you will be subject to the consequences. The OCO OE is an optoelectric monitoring system of surface and ground images. It provides detection in the zone of close proximity to underwater targets and underwater swimmers in surface locations. It is carried out by an optoelectric complex as part of the thermal imaging, video camera, and laser ranging device. The Absorb P is a fixed seismic acoustic perimeter security system. The Absorb P surveys the ground images of the perimeter and prior detection of trespassers approaching the physical fencing of the target's perimeter. The Seismic is a perimeter security system. The Seismic is intended to detect penetration of the perimeter fence by climbing, digging, or destruction. It is based on an innovative vibration detection sensor. Alert! A clearing group will approach sector number 6. The Joint Stock Company Scientific Research Institute, ATOL, implements the complete cycle of works in the field of underwater information technologies, from setting a task up to putting the system into operation and a post-warranty service. As a leading enterprise in the Russian Federation since 1976 in the field of fixed-state control systems of high-security maritime zones, the Scientific Research Institute, ATOL, has developed the concept of the formation of a surveillance system and is constantly improving its major components. The enterprise has a unique testing base, including a proving range on the Moscow Sea. The testing equipment provides control of the parameters of the developed systems and complexes practically within the complete range of the requirements as set by the customer, providing the ability to create highly reliable underwater equipment that will operate for decades.